Section number 1, methods of writing. It is forbidden to write in any type of with any type of instrument. This includes those which one writes manually, such as pen, pencil, or paintbrush, chalk, crayon, or rubber stamp, and those with which one writes mechanically, such as typewriter, computer. Writing without an instrument, for example, finger painting, is also prohibited. Making fingerprints in a form of writing without an instrument and is prohibited, since the fingerprint is meaningful figure. Okay, so before we continue, so methods, of course, on a biblical level, it's also always forbidden something that you do with special instruments. There is a word that we're going to use a lot, and we use it actually in our class of Shabbos kitchen. Right, we call shinui. So shinui is abnormal way of doing things, right? But if so, it would be forbidden, but only rabbinically, right? But biblically forbidden only with specialized instruments. So which is what? A pencil, of course. Feather, right? Pencil, pen, feather, paintbrush, chalk, crayon, rubber stamp. So because all of these things were created in order to create some kind of image. Okay, and plus typewriter, so old one, like mechanical one, or a computer also, right? Also, yeah, they say it's not going to last long after you switch off the screen, right? I mean, it would be forbidden on a rabbinical level. But still, a person wrote these letters. Same as a cell phone, of course. And writing without instrument, as a finger paint, right? Or with something else which is not usually is just for writing, is also forbidden. I mean, people, you can take a piece of paper, dip it in ink, and you can write, right? So continue. Next one, writing without ink. It is also forbidden to write without ink by engraving letters or shaped on a hard surface. Similarly, it is forbidden to mold letters or the figures out of clay or another pliable material. This applies even to applies as well to packing together moist sand or crumbs and forming meaningful figures. It is similarly forbidden to fashion letters by cutting their shapes out of the cloth or paper. This applies also to carving fruits, vegetables, or let's do the first paragraph before we continue. So again, writing without ink. So meaning you have like black surface, right? And you should like cut out, right? Some black stuff, and whatever is black or whatever color stuff, and whatever is left inside is could be shape. So did you write? No, I did not write. I removed something extra, and that's what I got. That's what they do with the sculpture, right? With the chisel and hammer. That's what they do from piece of stone. They chisel out whatever parts they do not want, and they got something, right? And plus us. Well, what else? Of course, cut out with scissors, right? From the paper, from any pliable material, right? What else? Mold letters from something, right? Clay, of course. Body. What else? Of course, moist sand, right? Meaning children cannot play with the moist sand, right? Crumbs. Some people make like figures from crumbs. That's a problem, of course. Okay. Continue. This applies also to the carving fruits, vegetables, and breads in any form, in any or any food item into the shape of meaningful figures. Cutting vegetables into the pieces that are simple shaped, such as squares or triangles, is permitted. We're dealing with the carving of the meaningful figures, such as letters, numbers, people, animals, and flowers. Taking photographs, developing film, and making photographic prints, and taking or developing X-ray also fall under this prohibition of writing. So let's do this piece again, and we're going to explain. So some people like carve beautiful shapes from fruits, right? Shapes of flowers. Some others like very beautiful, from watermelon, from others, right? So that's for melons. So it would be absolutely forbidden. From breads, I have not seen what people do from breads, but I guess yes, you can. Or from like from cucumber, from tomatoes, all of these beautiful forms, absolutely forbidden. If you cut basically if you make it if you're making a salad and you cut cucumbers in certain squares, there is no problem whatsoever, right? Because it's not like you're not trying to create a square, so like a specific shape. You're trying to make it edible, to make it into salad, so there is no problem. Even as he said, triangles. I mean, I have not seen that people did a triangle salad, but okay. Okay, so it would be permitted. We're dealing here with the carving of the meaningful figures, right, from such as letters, numbers, people, animals, and flowers, or flowers. Okay. So all of these are forbidden. Taking photographs. So photographs meaning even without like our fancy cameras, electronic, without electronics, like a manual camera. Developing films. I used to develop films myself, right? Black and white. Black and white is not so hard. I mean, if somebody shows you how to do it and you have patience, it's very interesting actually. Making photographic prints, right, and developing X-ray. So meaning if a person needs to go to a hospital and they want to do like a complete checkup. So if you don't need really X-ray, so you can ask them not to do it. So at least to minimize the desecration of Shabbos. If it's in this area and the doctor insists, yeah, you should do it. But otherwise, if it can postpone to time after Shabbos, you should do that. Okay. So meaning because it's right. Originally this what is it? The print of the X-ray is black, completely black, and then when they do the X-ray, so some areas becomes white. So that's how it works. Okay, no problem.